Hello, I'm Lauren Whitehead at the University of British Columbia. It's my pleasure to say a few words regarding the following poster, which was developed by my two colleagues, Alicia Main and Susan Porter. Alicia is at Simon Fraser University, and Susan is also at the University of British Columbia. The three of us have collaborated on this simple idea, presenting a possible way of improving the evolution of research in universities by taking advantage of encouraging a kind of research called HIBAR research. It's a fairly straightforward idea. We've arbitrarily divided the world of research into the world of university research and the world of non-university research. And we've just sort of arbitrarily said in both of these worlds, there's a mixture at any given point in time of early stage, early career researchers and established researchers. They're shown here as arbitrarily about equal in number. And the key thing is from one generation to another, the change is that the early career researchers become established and the established researchers retire. So there's a transition that occurs. And it's interesting to think a little bit about the evolution of that transition. So that's what this very presentation is about. And so there's a legend here showing that the ovals represent the early career researchers and the squares, the established researchers. And there's a symbol here for the HIBAR zone, which is a region where activities are underway in collaboration between university researchers and non-university researchers. And so the interesting question is how that might involve the evolution over time. So let's move forward in time a little bit and talk about the transition to the second generation, where ideally all of the early career researchers become more established researchers in that second generation. And the interesting thing is that we hypothesize that the researchers that are actually involved in HIBAR research of this collaborative nature are more inclined to do that as they become established in their career. And that's demonstrated here by these transitions that show the people becoming established in areas that are tending toward the HIBAR region. And in fact, there's even a thought that this person, for example, who may not have been in a HIBAR project, nevertheless had a kind of an awareness of one nearby, and so ended up moving into that zone and sort of enlarging the HIBAR zone. Well, that idea can continue, of course, to another generation. So following forward, there can be further expansion of that HIBAR zone as well. So it's a very simple idea, but it's one that is kind of exciting, but it means because it's possible to target not just benefits in the immediate future, which can be significant by following this path, but also longer term benefits, which could be very beneficial, not just for the individuals involved, but for society, which of course benefits from the results of this excellent research. So that's it. And I hope we'll have an opportunity to talk about this in person. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.